everyone, in today's video we will see how to set up the Logitech MX Master 3S, a step-by-step guide. So to connect your Logitech MX Master 3S, you have two options. First one is you can simply use this USB dongle. Here you will see on my screen. Okay, that is comes with your mouse inside a box, and also you can connect it by using a Bluetooth because they are able to connect with Bluetooth. Also, you have seen here bottom side of your mouse, here you will see a toggle button where you can switch the user. They are able to connect with the three users at the same time. Okay, so now we see how we can set up it. So by using the USB dongle, if your PC or your laptop having a USB-C port, now you can simply directly plug this dongle into the USB port, and then after your mouse is ready. Okay, without any software install, without any external install. But also make sure that your mouse is turns on. Here you will see the toggle button. Now it turns off, and then you can toggle this button to turn on. And now you can directly use this on your PC or your laptop by simple using this USB dongle. The other way is to you can use the Bluetooth. Connect your mouse with using a Bluetooth. You can simple firstly turn on the Bluetooth of your device, turn on. Then after click on add devices and then go to Bluetooth. Then after you can simple turn your mouse into a pairing mode. So to turn on the pairing mode, you can simple holding this switch button. Okay. Once you holding the switch button, you will see the light is blinking. It means that your mouse is turns into a pairing mode. Also, it will available here. Now you can simple tap on it on your mouse name, and then after you will find that your mouse is connected. Okay, by using a Bluetooth. And now you can easily use this. So here is how you can easily set up the Logitech MX Master 3 as a step-by-step guide by simple using the USB dongle or the Bluetooth. Okay, goodbye.